Till 1925, the beginning of the 20th century, a man by the name of Edwin Hubble, who the Hubble telescope is named after, came up with the Big Bang Theory. What is the Big Bang Theory? It's about how the universe started. They said that the universe in the beginning was one mass body, and there was a huge explosion out of that body, and out of that explosion, you got the stars and the planets and all the cosmic bodies in the universe. SubhanAllah, amazing discovery. You go to the Quran in Surah Al-Anbiya, and I'm giving you the references so you know for yourself. It is chapter 21 and verse number 30. Didn't the disbelievers see that heavens and earth were one enjoined body, and then we tore it apart? SubhanAllah, right there in the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, creator of the universe, is telling you how the universe started. Is that enough? No. The continuation of the verse is even more amazing. Ask NASA nowadays, 2013, we're almost 2014. What is the frontier project of NASA? They tell you we're looking for signs of life on planet Mars. They spent almost $600 million on it so far, going to $1 billion. So NASA, when you're looking for life on Mars, what are you looking for? They tell you we're going to look for the signs of life. What is it? Furniture, emails, lawsuits, TVs. What are you looking for? Sign of life. They tell you we're looking for water. Look at the continuation of the verse that told us how the universe started. The continuation of the verse is telling us, وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ. And out of water, we have created every living thing. SubhanAllah. Can that be a coincidence? Imagine yourself nowadays. You don't have knowledge, you're not educated whatsoever. Can you imagine that, let's say, the camel that is passing by you in the desert was created out of water? Can it even come to you? It's, flesh and blood and organs, and how is that out of water? It can drink water to survive, but it itself is made out of water? You would not even be able to imagine that. How would Prophet Muhammad ﷺ in the middle of 7th century know that piece of information? Is that amazing enough? Not lit. If you go to the second stage, theories now when the Big Bang Theory happened, they tell you when that explosion happened, the stars and the planets did not just form like that. Out of the explosion, in that billions and billions of years, light years of the universe, the whole universe, everybody in the universe first was in a condition of smoke. And in these many hundreds of light years, some areas were so condensed, that smoke was so condensed that out of it, stars were born and planets were born. You go to Surah Fussilat, and it's chapter 41 and the verse is number 11. ثم استوى إلى السماء وهي دخان فقال لها وللأرض ائتيا طوعا أو كرها قالتا أتينا طائعين. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala settled when He ordered that ratq to happen and spoke to the heavens, all the bodies in the heavens when it was in the condition of smoke, and said to it and to the earth, come to me willingly or unwillingly. Both of them said, we will come willingly. Quran says that in the beginning everything was in the condition of smoke. How could you possibly imagine that? How could you imagine that the land, the earth, the mountains, the stars, the sun, they were smoke in the beginning? Unless you're the creator of the universe. We go to the third one. You go to Surah Al-Dhariyat, which we recited a part of in the Salah, and it's chapter 51 and verse 47. وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ. And the skies we have built with our own powers, and we are to expand it. Clearly. How could you possibly know that? How could you possibly know the condition of the universe at the beginning, the Big Bang, and actually what is happening at the edges of the universe unless you are the creator of the universe yourself? Right there in Surah Al-Dhariyat. And then, subhanAllah, comes one that they just discovered probably about 3-4 years ago. And I heard a documentary that was produced by NASA, and actually it was a famous actor, his name is Morgan Freeman, I think. And he was saying, and it came to the picture, and subhanAllah, right then and there, it was before you. He was talking about huge towers in the depths of space that are made out of gas, light years long. And they call them star nurseries, out of which these huge areas of gas, billions of light years, and subhanAllah, condensed areas, stars are born out of him, and out of these stars comes the planet, and so on and so forth. What did NASA in the documentary called these, subhanAllah, wombs of the universe? That's how everything is born off in the universe. He said these mysterious towers of gas. Subhanallah, many places in the Quran. تبارك الذي جعل في السماء بروجا وجعل فيها سراجا وقمرا منيرا. Glorified He who created towers in the sky, and He created the moon and the sun. An entire chapter in the Quran is made, and the first verse is وَالسَّمَاءِ ذَاتِ الْبُرُوجِ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not swear by something that is light, by the sky and the towers. And many people, many interpreters, including Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu, tried to come up with, and they thought maybe it's the formation of what the stars look like in the sky. They look like towers. Some people said that the Muslims are going to be so honored in Jannah that they're going to be in these towers, and that's why they're so beautiful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala swear by it. But science come and then give us another dimension, which is the more probable. We never can tell for sure, but this is the most probable conclusion, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala swears by the womb of giving birth to every cosmic body in the universe. These are the towers.